Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your prime source for high octane stock intel. I'm Mitchell, and today we're blasting off with Black Titan Corporation, ticker BTTC, the investment and biopharma innovator charging into digital assets and blockchain frontiers. Volatility on steroids today. As of December 11th, BTTC shares exploded up to 165% in pre-market, opening at $8.60 before settling around $6.84 amid frenzied trading volumes over 41 million, a stark pivot from yesterday's close. The rocket fuel? Launch of the Digital Asset Treasury Plus, or DAT Plus framework, a six-pillar strategy evaluating utility, governance, liquidity, operational readiness, earnings alignment, and collaborations for crypto treasury plays. Fresh pillars rolled out on active utility deployment, token economics, and institutional liquidity criteria, with co-CEO Si-Hang Lin steering the blockchain charge. Year to date up a modest 1.7%. With this microcaps, crypto bet screams speculative upside, brace for whipsaws and regulatory haze. BTTC, crypto catalyst or crypto crash? Fire away in comments, like for the surge, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Trade fierce. Catch you next. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.